Welcome back to the channel. So first of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you who have subscribed to my channel. Just a few days ago I reached 100 subscribers and now it's about I think 103 or 104. I'm not really sure. So I would like to thank each and every one of you for subscribing and liking my videos. And I've only started doing serious FPV this year, and I've only started really learning how to fly FPV sometime January or December 2017 and January 2018. So I'm pretty much a beginner and just learning how to fly FPV. And I'm still honing my skills. And if you've been watching my One Pack Wednesdays, I'm sure you've been noticing that there has been some improvements in my flying skills, but nonetheless there's still lots of ways to go. So anyway, it's one of my philosophies that we celebrate even the small wins, and reaching 100 subscribers for me, that is certainly a win. So as a thank you for all of you who believe in this channel, who have stuck with me even through all of those crashes and all of those sucky FPV flights, I'd like to thank you all, and I'd like to show that appreciation by giving away. I'm going to be giving away one of these three prizes. Now whoever wins gets to choose which one of these three he gets to take home. So the first one is this Ethix Transmitter bag. So this is actually my bag, so you're gonna get a new one. But this is my Ethix Transmitter bag that I use with my Taranis Cube-X7. You can choose that. You can choose, or you can have, if you are just starting FPV, then you probably want to start off on a simulator. And I'm going to give one of you a copy of Liftoff. Or if you're a little bit more serious and want a little bit more serious simulator, you can choose to get Velocidrone instead of Liftoff. And so those are the three prizes up for grabs. And whoever wins the giveaway gets to choose which one of those three he or she wants as a prize. So how do you join this giveaway? Check out the description below. It's going to be like you just have to get subscribed to this channel. You just have to post a comment, and the fine print and the actual rules of the giveaway will be down in the description below. But anyway, that's gonna be it for today, guys. So again, thank you for all of my subscribers. And if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Click on the subscribe button and do check out my other videos as well. All right. So anyway, keep building and keep flying.